Rain, rain coming near, south of Kerala, south of Tamil Nadu and Chennai region. Alert. Farmers in certain areas from Nagarkoil to Majra are getting afraid of low rainfall. Vasudevanallur in Tenkasi district is getting only 30% of rain needed. Sometimes the soil is heavy for 1 hour, again dry. So farmers in Vasudevanallur are getting afraid of planting paddy in cultivable areas, but they have to watch another fateful 3 days that will bring you heaviest rain. The problem is that river is dead in south of Tenkasi district. Not only 1 or 2 tanks, all tanks in Tenkasi districts are dead. Dead means no holding capacity of water. Dead means the sediments inside tanks not cleared. That means the entire water is misused. That means the administration of water in Tenkasi district is very poor. So, tone up. So, follow science. Thank you.